at our very best and awesome presentation. Thank you so much.
Each and every kid is involved, and it's just wow that every kid is motivated to learn new things with the teachers, and they are so happy by learning.
Into this class and the knowledge of the kids is commendable. I really could see the confidence in them, and I don't think this is only possible just because of the books. It's the activity-based learning that is clearly visible through their confidence. Thank you.
Decoration बहुत ही अच्छा है. I'm impressed and I'm happy with my child and others.